Hello, as you may know, I have listened to several hundred pairs of headphones, so any new sound card or headphone DAC on budget always catch my attention. Today I will tell you about my experience with this tiny and powerful Nano One device from SMSL. In the video end I am going to record the built-in sound mode equalizers and tell you which mode is my personal favorite and why. This is a true plug-and-play gaming sound card. You just plug in one USB-C cable and select the DAC on your device. The best part is it works seamlessly with Windows, Mac, mobile phones and also PlayStation instantly upgrade your sound. It's incredibly easy to use. There is one big knob for changing the volume and a quick press lets you cycle through the sound modes. Music mode, which give you a clean, uncolored hi-fi sound, game mode for boost low frequencies, 7.1 virtual surround for gaming and voice booster, which is perfect for podcasts and cleaner comms on Discord. Looking at the manual and the unit itself, I didn't see a mute button. However, I found that if you press and hold the main knob, the sound goes completely silent, and another long press brings it right back. On the front of this compact sound card you can find three 3.5mm ports, one for headphones, a combo headset port for microphone and headphones together, and a dedicated microphone input. Another nice feature included in the box is a metal plate with double-sided tape. Since the DAC has fully magnetic base, you can easily place it on any metal surface you want for more convenient use. This SMSL Nano One is not trying to be a massive audiophile desk stack. It's a tool priced off a few fast food burger meals, designed to replace your motherboard's basic audio with something cleaner, more powerful and a lot cooler looking. If you're tired of Windows volume sliders, this little magnetic hub might be the cleanest upgrade for your setup, and it will keep your piggy bank safe. But now, let's listen to how these modes change the sound. My most used profile is game mode, because it beautifully boosts the bass and making the overall sound incredibly rich and punchy. After listening to all these modes, don't forget to write your favorite one down in the comments below.